You've seen images created by AI from just a few words, but how does the AI actually paint these masterpieces? This isn't simple imagination. This is generative AI, a groundbreaking leap in modern technology and creative power. This video will demystify AI art generation, from massive training data to the unique process of diffusion algorithms. Let's start with the heart of AI image generation, diffusion models. They work in a very unique and sophisticated way. Imagine a painting. The model learns how to add noise to it, little by little, until it becomes a chaotic mess of static. Then, it learns to do the opposite. Remove the noise from that mess, step by step, until the original painting reappears. This core process helps AI create a completely new image from that initial state of random chaos. So, how does the AI know what to draw? That's thanks to massive datasets used to train the model over time. These AI models are trained on billions of image-text pairs, learning the complex relationships between what words and images mean. It learns to associate words like cat with images of cats and blue sky with the right colors and visual styles. When you enter a text prompt, for example, a cat wearing an astronaut helmet, your prompt is converted into a string of numbers that the AI can understand. The diffusion model then begins the image creation process, starting with an image that is nothing but random noise. Slowly, it starts to remove the noise from that image. Guided by your specific text prompt, step by step, gradually, from that chaotic mess, a clear and detailed image of a cat in an astronaut helmet will emerge. So what about different artistic styles? Keywords like oil painting, anime style, or photorealistic are also deeply understood by the model. It uses these keywords to apply the correct visual characteristics and techniques, allowing you to create anything you can imagine. The future of generative AI is wide open. It's fundamentally changing how we think about creativity and art, from assisting artists in their work and designing products to creating unique media content and marketing materials. It also raises important questions about intellectual property and the ethical implications of AI-driven creation. AI isn't just copying, it learns, understands, and creates in a unique and powerful way that continues to evolve from a few simple words to millions of vibrant pixels. AI is a truly powerful new tool for everyone. Next time you see an image created by AI, remember the complex process and the incredible technology behind it. How do you think AI will change the future of art?
Imagine personalizing art to
Share your
individual emotional
thoughts.
states.